we'll guide you through how to use the Google Docs Reviewer feature to enhance your document collaboration. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your Google Docs document that you want to review. Make sure you're signed into your Google account. Then, go to the top menu and click on the Tools option. From the drop-down menu, select Review Suggestions. This will switch your document to suggesting mode, where any edits you make are logged as suggestions rather than direct changes. You can track changes more effectively this way. If you're collaborating with others, this feature lets them see your suggestions and decide whether to accept or reject them. It's a great way to maintain the original content while proposing improvements. To add your suggestions, simply type in the document. You'll notice your edits appear in a different color, and a comment box will pop up on the right side. Here, you can add notes or explanations for your suggested changes. This makes it easier for collaborators to understand your rationale. If you're reviewing someone else's suggestions, just click on the checkmark to accept or the X to reject each suggestion. You can also reply to comments if you need more clarification. Once you're done reviewing, you can click on Tools again and select Review Suggestions to turn off suggesting mode and go back to editing directly. This process ensures that everyone's input is considered and keeps your document organized and clear. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.